We're in Fresno, California, and we came out here and uninstalled some sprinkler valves. First thing we did down here, you can see that's the outside of the sprinkler, so that's the part that goes out to the lawn. And then, of course, the backside is all gone. Homer's already thrown it away, but it's all iron pipe. It was all corroded. Had a valve down in there as well. That was corroded, and it was stubbed out of that T right there. So what we did for them, we cut out the old iron pipe, got rid of it. We had them go grab some fittings for us because we like to see, some nice new fittings in here. So what we've got is a brand new 3-inch nipple right there. It's 1.25 by 3, 1.25 90, 1.25 by 3 nipple, and then you've got a full port ball valve right here. So this is a threaded iron pipe. 1.25 full port ball valve. So it's just got a stainless steel ball, quarter turn on, quarter turn off. It's on right now. I'd show you how it works, but it's on and we get a lot of water out of here. So ball valve, then we like to go to schedule 80 PVC. This is twice as thick as the schedule 40. We like to see it when we're above ground. Also, we like to get it down into the ground and maybe a little bit running horizontally before we go to the schedule 40. Some of this is schedule 40, which is for a conditioning system they've got around the corner. Some of it might be the class 200 pipe for sprinklers, but this here, that's the thickest they make it, schedule 80 pipe. So anyways, we've got the water turned back onto the home. Everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.